Hey, this is Collector for you, and I'll be reviewing my Airsoft loadout. This is my digital camo hat, and over here I have my eyewear, my glasses, whatever. And here I have my arm mask for to protect me from not getting shot in the mouth and stuff. Here's my tactical vest. It's pretty nice, and my my digital camo jacket. And over here I have my flashlight right there. It's pretty nice. And over here I have my Colt, which I already reviewed. Then over here I have my my AK-47 mag. It's really nice. Then over here I have my 2 pistol mags, which I usually carry. Then over here I have my phone, which if I'm hurt or something, I can call my parents or whatever. And over here I have tons of BBs. I mean, not a lot, but it's good enough for traveling. And also I have my speed loader in that pouch. And down's just regular pants. So yeah, that's basically it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and watch my other videos. So yeah, 360 view, and yeah, thanks for watching.